Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today in this video I'll teach you how to attach any object to another object. In this case I'll be attaching a text to a cloth. Okay, so we are going to make a cloth simulation and we'll add a text to it. Okay, so for that first let's delete everything in this scene. Press A and press X to delete everything. Okay, now import a plane by pressing Shift A and add a plane. Okay, scale it by pressing S then 4 times. Okay, now we go to the now let's go to the side view by pressing 3 on the numpad. Press R Y90 to rotate along the Y axis. Press SZ and scale it down along the Z axis. Okay, go to the edit mode by pressing tab and subdivide it few times. Okay, let's subdivide it like 40 times, 40 cuts. Okay, and select the 2 vertex on the upper side. Okay, and go to the vertex group and create a vertex group let's call it pin. So we want the cloth to attach to this point. Okay, and assign this vertex to this group. Okay, go to the object mode again and let's add a color like yellow or blue or something. Okay, go to the materials preview mode, go to the physics tab and add a cloth to it, simulation to it. Okay, increase the quality step to like 10 and decrease the air viscosity if you want. Increase the bending so it looks, if you increase the bending stiffness, the object will behave like a solid or rigid body or something. If you increase it a very high number like 20 or something, it will act like a rigid body or something. If you decrease it like 0.2 or something, it will be like a cloth and behave like a cloth. Okay, so let's increase the compress like 20 and tension like 16. Okay, and in the pin group, go to the shape option and in the pin group select the pin that we have just created. Okay, now if you hit play, you can see it looks like very solid and heavy cloth. Okay, shade smooth and it look much smoother. Okay, now let's attach a text to this cloth by go to the solid view again. Press Ctrl A to add a text and rotate it. Press R X90 and then again press R Z90 to rotate along the Z axis. Now go to select the text, press tab and write any text. I'm writing Blender. Select the text and we'll be go to the data properties tab and increase the resolution to like 16, and in the geometry increase the depth and increase this extrude it little bit just like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, now go to the select this text, right click and go to the convert to and convert it to the mesh. Okay, now if you go to the edit mode, you can see there are more vertex but there are more geometry. So I am going to select everything, right click, subdivide it few times. Okay, so it bend properly. Okay, now if you go to the object mode and let's add a color to it, go to the materials preview and let's make something like this. Okay, now we are going to attach this to this cloth. Okay, now select the text, go to the Modifier tab, and in the modifier section add a surface deform modifier. Okay, and in the target choose the plane and select hit the bind option. Okay, it will bind this text to this plane. Okay, if you click it, and now if you hit play, you can see how properly it bends. Okay, it looks awesome, right? So in this way you can add any you can bind anything to any object. And that's it. Now you know how to attach object using the Surface Deform Modifier in Blender. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Blender tips, and let me know in the comments what else you would like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.